Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook profile add music option not showing. Now first, what you can try is to ensure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. You can check for updates in the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Next, you can also try clearing the cache and data of your Facebook app. So sometimes clearing the app's cache and data can resolve issues. Head to your device settings, find the Facebook app, and clear its cache and data. Next up, you can also uninstall the Facebook app and then reinstall it. This can help reset any settings that might be causing the issue. And then, you can also make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes connectivity issues can prevent certain features from loading. And you can also try accessing your Facebook profile from a different device or browser to see if the issue persists. If you notice that the issue is only happening on a specific device, then it might be a device-related issue. And then lastly, if none of the above steps work, you can report the issue to Facebook through the app. You can do this by heading to the menu, select Help and Support, and then report a problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.